Good morning, everyone. It's currently 9:25, and I'm just relaxing in my bed.
He came! Hey, I'm back! Like I said in my early vlog, we're going to breakfast. So glad she came. We arrived at the new Lemon Tulip restaurant that has been redesigned into New York Cafe and Grill. I'm excited to try their food.
Oh, hi.
We're in It's Sugar for like the 20th time. You gonna get anything?
Hey, really good.
A little caramel thing?
Yeah.
Feels.
Yeah, I need to get something maybe. Because Liana got sugar, I want sugar too.
Got sugar.
Liana, how do you open the door?
It is a push door.
Totally know how to open it.
She loves this black licorice.
Favorite kind of chocolate covered. What is it?
They're like, is it closed? Got it. They're these little like clustery chip things. They're really good. They're my favorite thing.
Going up on the boardwalk to have some lunch. Yum! Yummy. I don't know what I'm having.
neither.
Because she's like, are you getting a crab cake? She's like, are you getting a crab cake? I'm all like, maybe. Because I'm obsessed with crab cakes.
Well, I don't even know if I'm gonna like have some sort of like lunch food. I don't know what I'm gonna have yet. Opa Gyro. I think that's the name.
Yeah, that's... Oh, here it is.
Opa.
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 What'd you get?
Calamari.
I mean, I got a cheeseburger with everything in it. What's you doing?
What am I doing? I am playing on my phone and posting on my Instagram story.
Because that definitely sounds like you.
Yep.
What are you asking your followers to do?
Give us truth or dare questions. So we can play truth
Why?
or dare. So we can play truth or dare. It's boring.
It's time for Greg to leave.
You have no time to, Greg.
But we're going to the boardwalk really quick.
How are you going to get slice of pizza?
How are we supposed to get pizza and then have him get on the bus on time? I don't know.
I think there is.
That's going to be a really hard, tough question, don't you
It
think?
is.
What is going on? Obviously there's food around.
Hi.
Hi.
We have no idea where we're going, so we're just walking. But the place we were going to go is a bit expensive. Ike's. She's on a budget.
Yeah, it's like $9.99 for shrimp.
She's
Usually it's cheap at a seafood restaurant. Okay, so how do you get fudge? Hold on. Okay, and just the kids menu on that restaurant is $7.99. That's expensive for a kids menu, where all you get is like 4 chicken nuggets. Just saying. So I went to LP's Pierogies, and I got pierogies and sauce. I think it's sour cream, but I'm not sure. And me and Liana split the price of a free refill drink. That way it was cheaper.
I'm the taller person.
Hi, I got a seafood in a basket, scallops and shrimp.
Yum.
I know. It smells amazing.
Where are we going?
Sundays!
Sunday. Oh, this? I'm gonna zoom up on it. Sundays. Okay, let me see that.
So good.
What are you possibly gonna get?
I don't know. I have to figure out how much stuff is and everything. Twisty.
Ooh, yum.
And that's what I got so far.
Chocolate.
Tiramisu is really good.
Where are we? Doing a beach photo shoot! Woo! Let's go in! Woo! I got my jeans. I got my shorts wet.
No, but like,
How do you get in?
I think we should come down for like 10 minutes and just do
How do you get in this thing? Okay, it took me like 1 minute just to get in this boat. Okay, Oh, I don't?
Bye, shoes.
Hi! My mom was the photographer of the beach picture.
Or beach fig.
That's my mom.
And I'm Libby.
Wait, before we
our feet, Sandy.
All right.
Does it feel nice?
Yes.
It's actually really warm.
It is. Ocean water too.
You think?
It's like filtered ocean water.
Ocean water.
One of the lifeguards is gonna do that one day. One day. We're talking about why I confirmed. So Liana's band camp and Black Rock date and my Black Rock date are the same week. And Mrs. Hall thought I was wrong. But I was right. Oh, there's a light. A bus. We can't tell if the light's green.
That's the trolley bus that you can take around all around town. You can get for a real long drive, like all the way down to
You're a nut?
I'm a nut.
Raindrop hits the edge of the town as there comes more. From the porch to the ceiling makes its way down to the floor. But I won't worry, you won't see. I'm right by you and you by me as we wake up the night as the thunder roars. Staircase could never teach me more. Like life, I climb, I fall just a step once more. You tricked me, fooled me, I was yours, only to act out a game that I did not know. In my life, like a hole in the floor. Won't you take it all away, and I'll take mine to the Lord. The angels may fall, but never close enough to let me soar. Eagles are flying, crows are dying. I guess I'll jump quick to see if I still have a chance to live. I played around and around I went, but a circle grows old. I guess I'm just another square in this circle